everyone. Today I'll be walking you through a tutorial on our online CAD catalog through 3DX Media. This is a great tool for engineers or anyone using pipe stress analysis programs like Caesar or K-Pipe. So to get started, we're going to go ahead over to the Proco Products website. Once you're there, you'll see a black bar across the top of your screen, and you want to find Proco Toolbox. Once you click that, you're going to scroll until you see the CAD 3D online catalog. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click here. Proco offers two types of CAD drawings. There are the expansion joints and the check valves. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the expansion joints. So once you're in, you'll see 8 different categories. For simplicity, I'm going to select the 230 series and then choose the 231 single wide arch design. On this page, you'll see a 3D rendering of the expansion joint that you can rotate 360 degrees. Let's scroll down and change the pipe size to 20 inches. This will help illustrate some of the features. You'll notice the internal arch is currently open, which allows for more movement. If your application involves solids moving through the system, you can switch to a filled arch for a smooth interior. You can also adjust the overall length. I'll keep it to the standard 8 inches for now. Next, you can select from a variety of elastometers, including options with FDA or NSF 61 approvals. For now, we'll leave it as is. You also have the option to include control units, which prevent overextension and overcompression. If we turn them off, you'll see they disappear from the model. But I'll turn them back on to show how they function. At 115 psi, 6 control units are required. If I reduce the pressure to only 40, only 2 control rods are needed. And you'll see that reflected in the model. This tool is very interactive and allows for detailed customization. For example, you can select different control unit configurations. Figure 1 prevents overextension, while Figure 2 prevents overcompression, especially useful when dealing with heavy piping systems. You can also choose different materials for the control units and decide whether spherical washers are needed. All of this information can be entered into your stress analysis system to better understand how an expansion joint will perform in your piping setup. That wraps up the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Proco Products. We're happy to help. Thank you for watching.